Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you join us for the first time, my name is Empress, blessed and Bassey. So today I'm super excited because I just got a new baby, and this is my new baby. This is Jenga. So we'll be playing lots and lots of Jenga games from now on this channel. I'll be playing with different sets of people. So if you know you're around Lagos, especially Laspotek or Ikorodu, let me know your location if you're interested in playing this game. So this Jenga game came with a free gift, and the gift is a what? So let's unbox it together. Let's see how it looks inside. This is big. This is the big size. This one is 72. There's a smaller size, but this is the big size. Wow. So yeah, this is the free gift inside. So let me carefully unbox my baby. Oh wow. So this is how it looks like. I thought it was actually supposed to come with a bag. How am I supposed to carry this thing around? Okay, so came with 4 dice. And then we have 72 pieces or 72 woods. So this is it. So don't forget to let us know if you're interested in the comment section, so we can book appointments and we can see who is good, who's the boss. So this is it. This is the Jenga game. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not, and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime there's a new video on this, you would always see the new video and any of my videos also. Bye. Have a nice day.